Christmas is around the corner, and if you've ever wondered what to make for Christmas to give to your friends and family and to also serve your customers, come closer, I've got you covered. So today we are making special fruit cake. Fruit cake is special during Christmas as it is known for its traditional long shelf life. Fruit cake has lots of spices and ingredients that is quite different from every other form of cake, and for this particular recipe I'm using cinnamon, nutmeg, mixed spices, and then I'll be using some other flavor as well. So I don't have a stand mixer, I used my hand mixer and my rolling pin. So before you start, you mix all your dry ingredients together and make sure that your fruit that you'll be using has been pre-soaked for at least 2 weeks before the time you use it. So into your creamed butter and sugar, you're going with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil of your choice and mix that together. Then we'll be alternating between the egg and the dry ingredients. So you make sure you break your egg first and then you add in your egg and go in with a bit of your dry ingredients, which is a mixture of your flour and your spices. So you are going to keep alternating that until you exhaust the egg and the flour. This rich fruit cake calls for the use of alcohol, so mind you, if you don't take alcohol, you can use vinegar to preserve your cake, and you can also skip the alcohol as well. You can use alcohol of your choice like your brandy or your dark rum. Just make sure you use good one. Any spirits work for this recipe, and make sure you pre-soak your fruit. That will give you that flavor and also give the fruit cake the long life. Fruit cake is known for its long shelf life because of the alcohol that's been used to preserve it. Once you exhaust the egg and your dry ingredients, you're going with your black treacle, your golden syrup. I'm using 2 different flavors of black treacle as you'll be seeing in this video, and then you're going to go in with your browning. One of the treacle is from Mekang and the other one is Lila's product. So that is my browning. It is also a Mekang product. Mekang products are very good for your cakes. So then you go in with your lemon zest. Lemon zest is you just scrape the back of lemon and then you use 2 tablespoons of that. Then I'll be using dark rum brandy as well, and then I'll also be using strawberry cheesecake. So at this point you're going with any flavor of your choice. Vanilla flavor, we have different types of vanilla. We have dark vanilla, we have white vanilla. So make sure you make your cake flavorful and then mix that together. Mind you, when you are baking, you have to clear your table as often as possible to give room for you to be able to work with. So after creaming all of this together, we'll be going in with our fruits, which is the main deal. So we need just 1 cup of it, and then you scoop part of the alcohol into it as well. Can you see how rich and nice that fruit is? It should be pre-soaked so that it should make it flavorful, and then you can get that rich fruit taste. So you mix that together. Once you add your dry ingredients, you don't over mix your cake if you want it to come out fluffy and moist. And mind you, fruit cake is like a dense cake, is not like chocolate or red velvet cake. So at this point the mixing is good, and then you pour it into your pan. This is a size 7.5 inch pan, and then you bake at 140 degrees Celsius. Bake on low heat to get the best results. And this is my cake. It took about an hour for this to get properly done. Once you put in your dough inside and it comes out clean and dry, your cake is ready. Would you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section, and see you all by Christmas time. I'll be glad to see you reproducing this recipe and serving to your guests. Kindly like and subscribe. Bye.